This is a big camp. More than 50,000 refugees are residing here. And I think we would like to alleviate their difficult life as much as possible. We understand they left the country, they had to leave the country, and they have to live here. But they, in the child-friendly space, they enjoy themselves.
It's a child-friendly space and providing some opportunities for children really to just play and some recreational opportunities for them, whether it's music and art and sports. We think that's very important in a refugee camp setting so that children can have a normal childhood and socialize with each other and play and explore and learn through that way.
For the Japanese people, Rwanda and Burundi are still far away, so I think we have to show them the fact, what is happening in this region. We are quite open to the world, and they would like to support people who are in a very difficult situation. So in that sense, I think we would like to introduce the fact, what is happening here. And that will be the starting point. And actually, there are some NGOs who are very interested in supporting refugees outside of Japan. And I think they will come someday to Burundi, Rwanda, and this region. Yeah.
We looked at three particular areas where UNICEF has been providing some support with funding through the government of Japan. So the first was education, looking at the school, which, as you know, includes both Burundian refugee children as well as Rwandan children from the host community, and specifically at an ITC computer room that has been supported by the government of Japan. So it was very inspiring to see these children begin to learn about computers. We all know, and they were very enthusiastic, and so that was a very nice thing to see.
Hygiene and sanitation is very, very important, because if your neighbor has some disease, that will affect you immediately. So this kind of basic knowledge of primary health care is very, very important. So I think this is very, important. And also the children, they are growing day by day. We adults, we don't change so much in 1 year, in 2 years, but children grows every day. And I think in order to make their life happier in the future, I think it's no time to wait. We should give them education training, and that from this point of view, that child-friendly space is very, very good for child education.